So we're going to talk about the thread now first. You know, we saw it on Sewing with Nancy, but there's lots of thread choices, but there's some thread that's good and some threads that's not as good, and it has to do with color value again. The whole thing is about color value. So if there's several fabric or several colors in the thread, that's fine if like this is similar value, but there's a couple of them that are no good, like this one, because it has light and dark in it. So there's nowhere where it fits in. There would be, if I sewed on the dark fabric, those white spots would stand out, and if I sewed on the light fabric, all the dark stuff would stand out and it wouldn't look so good. So pay attention when you're choosing your variegated threads to avoid those types. So what we would use, I don't think I mentioned it on the Sewing with Nancy, but I would use 3 threads: a light variegated, a medium variegated, and a dark variegated. And I stitch on the light fabrics with the light thread, the medium with the medium, and the dark with the dark. Just like if we had used all 12 of those fabrics, 1, 2, 3, and 4 would be the light, 5, 6, 7, 8 would be the medium, 9, 10, 11, 12 would be the darks. Or if you have 9 fabrics, 1, 2, and 3 would be the lights, 4, 5, and 6 would be the medium, 7, 8, and 9 would be the darks. And we just print on a stitch on the light with the light, the medium with the medium, and the dark with the dark. You can use all the different colors, and you kind of match it to the primary color that happens to be in your range of light, medium, and dark. There's lots to choose from. So there's, you know, yellow and orange and red, purple, you know, all kinds of everything. So and just pay attention, avoid the ones that are too contrasty. All right.